In this guide, I'm going to show you how to extend laptop screen to another monitor. First, obviously make sure that your monitor is connected to your laptop using HDMI, USB-C, DisplayPort, or the correct adapter for your setup. Make sure that monitor is turned on as well. Once it's connected, right-click on your desktop on your laptop, and you need to go ahead and select Display Settings. Once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to see up at the top your laptop screen and your external monitor screen listed as separate boxes. If you're not sure which one is which, hit Identify, and it'll show you just like so. But once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to make sure these are ordered in the right way. So if your laptop's usually on the left, make sure 1 is on the left, or of course 2 is on the left, depending on whatever one is which. Adjust them just like so, and you're going to want to then change this to extend these displays. As soon as you do that, you're good to go. This will turn your laptop and your monitor into separate screens so that you can move windows between them. Hit apply, and then you're set. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.